10 ways to make money online in 2025. The online world is booming, and 2025 is packed with new ways to make money from anywhere. Let's dive into 10 powerful ways you can start earning today. 1. AI-powered freelancing. AI is your best friend. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork now offer gigs in AI-assisted content writing, voiceovers, and even coding, no advanced skills needed. 2. Print on demand. Turn your creativity into cash. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and let platforms like Redbubble or Teespring handle the rest, zero inventory required. 3. Digital products and ebooks. Create once, sell forever. Whether it's an ebook, planner, or template, platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy to sell digital downloads. 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by recommending products you love. Amazon, Shopify, and even TikTok Shop offer huge earning potential. 5. YouTube automation. Don't want to be on camera? No problem. YouTube faceless channels with AI-generated scripts and stock footage are a booming passive income source. 6. Remote customer service. Work from home helping customers. Companies are hiring remote reps for chat support and email assistance, perfect for flexible hours. 7. Stock photography and videos. Love taking photos? Sell them on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels and get paid every time someone downloads your work. 8. Online tutoring and coaching. Share your skills, teach languages, offer career coaching, or mentor others on sites like Udemy, Teachable, or Preply. 9. Crypto and NFT opportunities. Web3 isn't dead. Staking, trading, or even creating NFTs still offer big opportunities for those who stay ahead of the trends. 10. Virtual assistant business. Help entrepreneurs manage their schedules, emails, and social media with AI tools. Becoming a VA has never been easier. Opportunities are everywhere. Why wait? Pick one, take action, and start building your online income today.